Performance Accessories Stair Tread is the perfect finish for stairs. Before we begin, make sure your work area and stairs are clean. Always start with the bottom stair and work your way up. Start by measuring the overall width and height of each stair. Cut your tread to the correct depth, leaving an 1/8 of an inch space on the back and a 1/16 inch gap on both sides. Do this for each individual stair. Once all the stair treads are cut, begin the installation process. Install the riser using a polyurethane glue. Do not use a water-based adhesive. Apply the adhesive in an S-shaped pattern along the back side of the riser and attach the riser to the back of the stair. Place one finishing nail in each of the 4 corners on the top and bottom. Now attach the tread. Remember to leave a 1/16 inch expansion gap on each side of the plank. This will be covered by caulk for white stairs or clear silicone for any other color. Apply adhesive in an S-shaped pattern to the top of the stair. Then place the stair tread capping the top of the new riser. Finally, put one finishing nail in each of the 4 corners. Repeat this process, moving upwards. Once finished, clean the steps. Then use color coordinating nail putty to fill in the nail holes. Finish by filling the expansion gaps with caulk or silicone. Stay off the stairs for 24 to 48 hours, allowing time for the glue to dry. Now you have beautiful stairs.